Welcome to China in the year 3000 AD, a breathtaking fusion of tradition and innovation. As the drone rises above the skyline, crystalline skyscrapers shimmer in the sunlight, their golden accents tracing the future of architecture. Vast glass domes and pagoda-inspired towers stretch across the horizon, interconnected by elevated skybridges and aerial terminals. This is not a dream. This is the new reality of urban life. Above the city, fleets of advanced flying vehicles glide in perfect harmony. Aerodynamic hovercrafts, luxury aerial sedans, maglev hover trains, and compact pods move gracefully through organized lanes. Each terminal is seamlessly integrated into the architecture, allowing effortless docking and departure. The sky is no longer a limit, it's a highway of precision and elegance. Descending into the streets, we enter marble boulevards lined with futuristic living complexes. Citizens in shimmering fashion stroll through shaded courtyards and vibrant markets. Holographic stalls offer gourmet foods and advanced tech, while robotic attendants assist with quiet efficiency. The city pulses with life, calm, organized, and deeply luxurious. At the heart of the city lies the grand cultural plaza. Monumental fountains, holographic art installations, and AI-guided theaters create a space where tradition meets technology. Inside the crystalline atriums, golden arches and flowing curves frame lounges and skybridges. Natural light floods every surface, illuminating the elegance of future living. The most advanced living complexes rise with panoramic glass walls, rooftop gardens, and infinity pools overlooking the skyline. Each residence is a masterpiece of design, sculpted facades, organic curves, and AI-driven interiors. From sky lounges to personal pods, every detail reflects a future built for comfort, clarity, and connection. As the drone ascends once more, the full cityscape unfolds.
To the crystalline
Jason-style 10-block structures stretch in geometric precision, surrounded by rivers, reimagined mountains, and distant megacities. The sun reflects across steel and glass, casting a golden glow on the future of civilization. This is China 3000 AD, not just a city, but a vision of what humanity can become.